Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have another app. So basically this is a graphic or animation app you can say. So you must have seen like moving text in many of the videos. So you can use this text, you can use this app for creating your stories, Instagram stories of similar type, moving text, text animations and many more. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. Let's begin. So the name of the app is Type Loop. So it has various features, various animation like reflection of text, moving text from one corner to other corner, moving text from top to bottom, moving text sideways and glitching in the text, so that this kind of animation looks pretty good on your stories, Instagram stories. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how we can use this app, what all features it has, and how we can utilize these features to create more awesome Instagram stories. So let's get to the mobile screen. So here's the app guys, Type Loop. So as you can see, this is how you can animate your text. You can add your images and you can animate the text. There are many text options available, animation option available. The rating for this app is 5. So let's just open the app. So as you can see, it's already running one sample text. So let me just show you. When you tap on this, when you tap on the text, so you get this option. So you can change the text. So let's just make it test, and yes, it's done. So you can change the color as well. You can make it whatever color you want. And then you have text size. You can increase the text size. You can change the font type. Once you are done, you can tap on this arrow and it goes to the screen. And then you can also have various options, various animation. So as you can see, this was bottom to top, this is left to right, then this is dancing text. So likewise, you have various options for text. You have option to increase its speed, decrease its speed, increase the letter spacing. So as you change to the animation, the setting here changes. So as you can see, the setting below here changes. So it has somewhere around 12 free options animation, and if you go for paid, you have paid as well. So you have somewhere around more 12 paid option. You can preview them, but you need to pay to use those settings. So let's just go with any of the free version. Let me just change the text color to white so that it will look good. Yes, it's done. Okay, and then you have another option. So this is another animation what you can add to your text. So this is effect to the text, you can say. So these are also almost 9 free and 9 are paid. So you can go with no animation as well. And after then this, you have the option to add the colors. So you can add a colored background to your text. Also you can add image. So let me just add my image. So here's my image. So let me just create it a vertical one. Let me just zoom into the image, and here it is. So now I can import this story. So here's the option of save. I can save it. So I can do the setting of 30 fps or 60 fps, the quality, and I can just click on render. So the animation for render is so awesome, it's so satisfying. Just look at it. So it's rendering. So it will be saved as a short video into my photo section. So I can upload this section into my Instagram stories or post. So also you also had option of adding it, like making the post square, the image square for posting, or vertical for posting stories. So it is rendering, and it's so satisfying to see the render animation. So it takes a while to render the video, the images, and the end product is just awesome. So yes, it's about to done. And yes, the render is finished, the video is saved. So let me just open my gallery and show you how the video looks. And this is how the video is. So it looks pretty awesome. So yes guys, this is what the app is. So it's a pretty interesting app. You can go for paid subscription as well with some more added features. So the costing for paid subscription is $349 per month, or you can go one time yearly basis, and then you have some new features, videos available. This section gives you the introduction for new features. So yes guys, this is what the app was. So it's pretty interesting app, so go download yourself. I'll give the link in the description below, and let me know how you feel the app is. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.